Okay, I'm going to show you how to repair or change the batteries on a Skill 1/4 inch electric ratchet. I've had T10 driver, and I've already taken out all the screws but one. I'll take out that last one. They're here, 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 and here. And I've got a set of channel locks. And the head, twist that, see that it's turning, comes straight out, set that aside. This collar, this one came off real easy. You've got two T7s here. Set that aside. Now, that just pops apart. The screw side up. There's your batteries. You've got a positive there. You can see the positive is kind of a pink color. The negative is a black. That's a little heat sensor. If it's tripped, you can cut that off, get a new one and put on it. I don't know the specs on it, or you can just wire that together, but if you do, you might start a fire someday, so I don't recommend that. The rest of it, you just have to order the 18650 3.7 volt lithium ion batteries and put those in. You can pop these connectors off, solder back on, and that's how you do it.